I'm Dana Williams. Some of you requested a healthy snack, so I'm going to make homemade granola. The ingredients I'm using are coconut oil, maple syrup, pumpkin seeds, almond, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, cranberries, salt, and rolled oats. You can use honey instead of maple syrup or olive oil instead of coconut oil. And make sure you use a piece of parchment paper to line your pan so that the sweetener doesn't stick to the pan. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, start by combining the oats, nuts, pumpkin seeds, ground cinnamon, and salt. Mix it all together so that it's evenly distributed. The next step is to add the maple syrup, coconut oil, and vanilla extract, and then I'm going to stir it until all of the oats are lightly coated. Perfect! Now the granola mix is ready to be put on the baking tray. Now I'm going to put the granola mix. Now I'm going to put the granola. How should I say it? Now I'm putting the granola onto the baking tray, making sure that it's evenly distributed. Now the granola is ready to go in the oven. It will bake for about 21 to 24 minutes until it's golden brown, and I will mix it halfway through. The granola has been baking for 11 minutes, so now I'm going to stir it and let it bake for 11 more. The granola has been baking for 22 minutes, and now it's ready. Let the granola cool completely. It will continue to crisp, and top it with some dried fruit. I have 2/3 of a cup of dried cranberries. I let the granola cool for 15 minutes, and it's perfect. So now I'm going to add the dried fruit. Make sure you let it cool completely before storing it so it doesn't get soggy, and you can eat it throughout the day. It's really good. If you want, you can add chocolate chips. I'm going to keep it like this. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other snacks you'd like to learn how to make with me in the comment section. Also, check out the description of the video to see what song has been playing throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.